The sound of a conversation in multiple languages echoed through the quiet hallway of the corporate building. The CEO suddenly stopped walking. First he heard fluent French, then perfect English, followed by German, and finally Japanese. Confused, he slowly walked toward the corner of the hallway. There, beside a simple cleaning cart and wearing a modest uniform, stood the building's janitor. An older man with tired eyes and calm composure was speaking effortlessly in 9 different languages. In that moment, the CEO realized he was witnessing something extraordinary. And what he would discover afterward would change his life, and the janitor's, forever. If you believe in kindness, second chances, and the idea that every person has a story worth hearing, take a moment to like this video, comment where you're watching from, share the story with someone who needs inspiration, and subscribe to the channel for more emotional and meaningful stories. The CEO, a man used to luxury offices and billion-dollar meetings, stood silently watching. The janitor was on the phone with different vendors connected to the building, solving small technical issues with surprising confidence. His pronunciation was flawless, his tone calm and professional, as if he had lived in every country whose language he spoke. Yet the moment the call ended, he simply returned to pushing his cleaning cart as if nothing unusual had happened. The CEO couldn't understand it. How could someone with such incredible skills be cleaning floors instead of negotiating international deals or running global companies? Over the next few days, the CEO began quietly observing him. The janitor always arrived before everyone else, worked with humility, and never drew attention to himself. But whenever someone struggled with an international call, a translation problem, or a foreign client, he would appear quietly and solve the issue within seconds. Slowly, the CEO felt his curiosity turning into deep respect.